Every day, innovation improves lives. At VVDN, we empower the future of innovation, where precision, trust, and technology converge to create world-class technology solutions. Leading OEMs across AI and data center, telecom and networking, automotive, aerospace and defense, railways, MedTech, industrial automation and vision solutions. Trust VVDN to bring their innovative ideas to life. With over 12,000 employees, including more than 5,000 skilled engineers, VVDN takes an engineering-led approach from concept to development and manufacturing, all under one roof. One vision, one partner. From design to delivery, we make innovation happen. At VVDN's R&D centers, design isn't just a phase, it's the foundation. With 11+ R&D centers, VVDN has a robust setup for doing product design, development, and engineering. From hardware to software, from mechanical to QA, our teams engineer, prototype, and validate breakthrough products that drive performance and shape tomorrow's technology. With expertise and quality, our R&D and testing teams push the boundaries of what's possible, creating products that set new industry benchmarks. From cutting-edge 5G and Wi-Fi labs to advanced audio, video, and pre-compliance and validation, every product we craft meets the highest global standard. Each device undergoes rigorous inspection and validation, ensuring full compliance with international standards. At VVDN, we turn AI into real-world action. We power physical AI, machines that sense, decide, and act in real time. Generative AI transforms how products are designed, tested, and experienced. And agentic AI enables systems that plan, adapt, and execute complex workflows. From silicon to systems, VVDN is driving the next era of AI. At VVDN, innovation isn't just a goal, it's our standard. With a strong focus on vertical integration, we empower our customers to innovate and bring products to market faster. Across 9 state-of-the-art manufacturing facilities in India, including a new 100-acre hub in Pollachi designed for scale, thoughtfully developed across 4 phases with Phase 1 already operational. Built with sustainability at its core, the infrastructure integrates renewable energy to power a greener future. At VVDN, we believe every great product begins with precision, and that reflects in our in-factory processes, starting with the material receiving. Each component is carefully verified, documented, and stored in controlled environments to ensure integrity and full traceability. Because at VVDN, precision isn't just a process, it's a promise. With advanced SMT lines, tool and mold making, injection molding, die casting, and sheet metal fabrication, we transform complex ideas into tangible innovations. Dedicated assembly lines, production automation, and custom test fixtures ensure every product meets the highest standard of quality and performance, ensuring excellence in every device. Once tested and approved, every product is stored in climate control facilities and delivered worldwide to our expert logistics network, ensuring seamless on-time delivery and unmatched quality through our resilient global supply chain. At VVDN, every box carries more than technology, it carries trust. As a global company, VVDN has presence across USA, Canada, Europe, India, Japan, South Korea, and Vietnam. From receiving to dispatch, from concept to creation, VVDN delivers complete solutions under one roof. VVDN Technologies, a global provider of software, product engineering, electronics manufacturing services, and solutions.